I wake up every morning at 7 o'clock. I wake up every morning at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I usually have toast or cereal. I usually have toast or cereal. I put on my clothes. I catch the school bus. I catch the school bus. In my class, we have math and science before recess. At recess time, the girls skip or walk around the talk. The boys play in the playground or play baseball. After recess, we have physical education and geography. We eat lunch and then we play outside. We eat lunch and then we play outside. When the bell rings, we line up to go back into the classroom. After lunch, we have history and science. After lunch, we have history and science. At recess, we play ball again. Some of girls play ball too. We get out of school at 3:30. We get out of school at 3:30. I sometimes walk home with my friends or I take the bus. I have a snack and change my clothes when I get home. On some nights, I help my mother to do the dishes. After supper, I do my homework. I wash my face and hands and brush my teeth, then go to bed.